You are going to love the 2021 Kia K5. The Kia K5 has a stylish exterior that will be sure to turn heads, sleek interior looks, fantastic handling, and an abundance of technology will make this a fun vehicle to drive. This vehicle has less than 35,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: panoramic sunroof, premium wheels, electronic stability control, alloy wheels, rear spoiler, brake assist, traction control, remote keyless entry, fog lights, parking sensors. Your new ride is just a phone call away.
This is a one-owner vehicle with a Carfax Vehicle History Report. Be sure to find a complimentary copy of this report online or contact the dealership. This vehicle qualifies for the Carfax Buyback Guarantee.